going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're back at it again with another video, and of course you already know we're gonna be working on the SW20, the 2GR project. And I drove the car yesterday, and I believe I officially put down 10 miles on the 2GR swap since I got it a few months ago. I barely drive this car. I barely drive any of my cars. Anyways, guys, after driving it, I felt heartbroken. I felt really bad. Just looking at the interior, my interior is horrendous. It's ugly, it's messy, it's dirty. So before we even do anything on the car, we gotta make sure the interior, it's looking amazing. So that is the plan. I know I said that I was gonna work on the brakes, caliper, brake lines, rotors, a whole bunch of stuff, which I still have here. But we're gonna postpone that, and we're gonna leave that for the following weeks, just because we want to get this interior up to par. So the plan is, I'm gonna show you right now what we're gonna do on the interior, because it's gonna look super nice. It's gonna look amazing. And let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm working with. Let's go. So here we go, guys. This is what I'm working with. As you can see, ooh, all that messy, all that's dirty. We're gonna make all this look super nice. All these ugly bolts. So guys, the plan is to remove everything as much as possible. So we're gonna remove the glove box. We already removed the plastic pillars. We're gonna remove the speaker covers, that cover, this cover, the whatever you call it. What you call this? You call this, what is this? This is a armrest. Sorry guys. We're gonna remove the under stuff here, and we still gotta make a few cuts here. We gotta cut that here. So we're gonna remove that. We're gonna remove these plastic stuff, and the plan is simple, guys. Everything that we remove, we're pretty much gonna wrap it in suede or carbon fiber. So all these parts right here that you see, this is not real carbon fiber. This is actually a skin. So it's not even real carbon fiber. It's not even a wrap. It's just a skin. So yeah, guys, we're gonna remove all that stuff. Vinyl wrap all this stuff in carbon fiber. Suede wrap all this, armrests, pillars, speakers. All this is gonna be in suede. This is gonna be in carbon fiber. We're also gonna do the RGB lights, those are the Twinkie lights, whatever you want to call it, on the headliner. And yeah, guys, that's what we got. So let's go ahead and start the time lapse. I've been here about 8 minutes, and I am sweating bullets, man. This is non-stop Florida weather. It's crazy. But yeah, guys, time lapse. Let's go. Let's remove everything. Dale. us a quick update. This is how it's looking. This is how it's looking, guys. But let's remove everything. Now you see, now you don't. In 3, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1. Bombs away. All right, guys, everything is done. Everything is removed. I removed as much as I could. I didn't remove the headliner, but it is what it is. I guess this is where they close this area. Oh, interesting. For the shade bay. Interesting. I don't know what's all this wiring. I have no idea, guys. I know this was there. All this was there. All this wiring was here before. I'll probably talk to Omar, the previous owner, because he did all this stuff, all the radios and subwoofers and whatnot. But I already checked for rust. There is a bit of surface rust, like here, but nothing crazy. The floor pad is solid. All the interior pieces, as you can see. Driver's side. And guys, if you have this foam, whatever, remove it. This is what causes rust, because when it gets wet, it holds moisture. So definitely remove it. And yeah, man, gotta remove it here too, there too. And the plan is to clean the grease, primer, hit it with some paint. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the whole entire thing, but I'm gonna try to get as much as possible. And then of course, shampoo, paint, wrap, vinyl wrap, suede wrap, the whole thing. And hopefully this interior is going to look amazing. We're also gonna clean here. We're pretty much gonna clean everywhere. I want to paint this whatever you want to call it, the holder for the shifter cables. So we're gonna remove that, paint it, and we'll probably update the radio into a double din. And yeah, guys, that's what I got. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this video tomorrow, and hopefully next week this should be done and painted. And then we'll start with the wrapping, and you already know. Anyways, guys, catch you in the next one. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, share, you know, the whole 9 yards. Anyways, catch you in the next one. Dale.